kwa migi championi migi championi abwatirandite na Babu G egento gikuru kungama kweli ototigane lisa sente goto swase topic ire ganto tarachiko swase topic inde ya kabire usia gatatu de igotera kolega iga then to bana swase topic yo gotera kolega iga okoiga. I don't know if you've ever heard about this song okoiga yeah
oyo nainde nechate na yakubwatia na machiko makeigo aragera umenye no botoereru obong'aini no bo science bwa igoro mono ikaransa moike
montegerere bonago
oko nakugo chiko gotangani umwana ominto ekia baba otarasoka asabantu eakiki abuso ganyogoterwe genda no nyantara chamate na igora kayanga kaya na kabaga 10 kogicha kabwenerete yoga sabusetie na kwebiringisire kerisi kiago kyogosokeze bantu na boko bwenera renda bokongu toro kwege sengi nonya no monguru tata na irogetekeromo okonogo chika gwa kabere toba isapi nonya ngakeigo kusanira mukabande mokomonto musike na moboe munoboe tama kweli onye gwa utirigo ikaiga diarie ndugu nyasaye na agwanchete koranje kachibirundo ngwa kuro bimbe osogende kuburugere bias okochika kwa gatatu otaranyoma osotaranyomwa eboriga mamininde osema gosoreri na inde irorere borie mamininde bono osema gosoreri ekia baba nyomo terige sangio naye bweka na mukago osemusachogo na chiabe kiale onye kwa mochorire tarero unarigecha keve mkia mwenene kisegi na kunya korere mitandao tigapi onye kwa rosire soka ngora kenda timukio bongo gokoiwa bade bitengembiro oirane ngoro tari na riogirinde oso nyomba mwago tomoira kiaro mwana bwo monto ense ya bono tenga ya kare ndugu yane wanyanyimbo tibari basinto bamino neri chiko mbororo rigocha koranje koigwa oigwe kiota igwe ntwe maiso torakoe noko nogochika gwakane chinga kichionsi renda bokomwe kyogo kwana una nabatebye moinari emea mwenya bantu basinto bamwe abo simio nyomoro gyoria togosomwe meyebuko moyo bari bado mbarako nigo bategesetie koigwa nikyo gokwana erinde baminyoke moino gochia kugosareria mwana ominto gamba make emenwe yembora nero yabasereria bakungu amangano koigwa ya chiereroti naborage uterere gekobambokere ogochika kwa gatano tobaisa no nyanga keigo goakaniege siomba bonsi abagokorama abanyamesira abaurereria n'abanyabitina bekamarunse obasabere oyogokura kerikiagegeke momente nonya nendraneri mutigere yonsi yaire ligereria bosyo kegima oyogotongete namanyetaso gochia toechanda no nyangake ebinto tata imaboko bire oko nogochika kwa gatano na rimo no kwomo elio ominto tema korosi elietari yago kore moyo elietari igia ndigeregesa kukiago kemeya no morembe inyoraiga enseye twensi mboye tutore amatukari nyasaye akoete menya n'ubwororo omorembe n'ubwanchani bakorera amayaba amate bago toganyago togigwa amanye gokonyo yomino onsi yatigero monguru egesa kukiago na gesise nigwe abagambi n'abateneneri benseye imeyo mochiogo na baiborwe inyora abaigimeri abeyanchi na musoke elio keromone na koirana ayo na aramachiko yechate ole na mato aigwe uyo taigwe tochicha goteba ng'echate tiyagotebe.
Yamone chate. Thank you so much, Bechate. Thank you so much, Mungwana. Echate ngakiega ngorengia ale make more sense. Echate ngakiega ka make more sense ekra telementu bingebi. Kubwa ibintu byagotera squeeze. My brother echate go back to spoken word. Iga echate we used to talk to Mosi directly. In fact ikinakia greta kamanyikana.
By the way, Gusin, the what artist and our spoken word.
No.
He was the only person doing that.
Tina bamanya. Tinte tuko kana ngambayo, lakini onye ba karoro tina koraki. Tina bamanya. So onye naro karoro ncharo tina koraki.
Antora muigwa ba.
Ina muigwa. Lakini this is what Echate used to sing. And could make a lot of sense. I don't say that what he sings right now doesn't make sense, but this one used to make a lot more sense. Because ekeki alikuwa anda saba kusibo nsema chiko yetsate nande koliko ndiko kumwanya bantu akaenda ndiko kurukungina muntu. You know those songs. They were very serious.
Yes, kwanza ngina muntu was a hit
in our society. So this is I want to give you a story.
Yeah.
Which will lead to our topic today. Osacho yomo onyometo muswati akamenya Nairobi. Anyometo muswati yomo bakamenya Nairobi akanyora umwana. Ekrabanyora umwana musacho igana abwate kibesa. Ekra abwate kibesa nande sobona rubwate kibesa gwetania bana bamu abo bande. Ina agatara kurugusi akagenda baka Nairobi. Atagiti simi. Mamu mwabo mumuroyo.
Yes.
Akagenda baka Nairobi atagiti simi. Esingi njama etenga mumurone nga yali. Nairobi nande nabwatu mwana moke. Mung'ina akaimoke sabari akagenda baka aralia Nairobi.
Yes.
Ekaliri musacho lia soka mambia akanyora ngina gakocha kurugusi nengoko. Basoka mukae bakanyoke. Mama gwa ke ngaki date ngocha kwali mama bande bakwira ndagijomba lero mwe na ndwani budget ya chechi muntu takoletiki tabange tingocha linge tapate tingocha linge lakini nabwa no muntu bwate bintu no muntu organizing ibintu it's so easy fasting akimamwe bakoberali reno musacha rinde raka gokakora mamu mwa kumbe mukungu ulitagogeti enchiro muswati uliacha atakoletiki atatebeti ngochali reno musacho lya tena mama ngosoka twani ngochika lakini mbona kiwachire kanyakobera ungwira na toli marago marago bako gende gasi musacho liga konya kwande gasi na mukaya bon mukaya kumbolingi mama atakoraki atatebera ngochali tena mama kwa natakire kunga onge notice ngochali mama can come anytime in my house. That is my mom. My mom can come anytime. No, talo te bango chal bono ikimambie kacha orochi bono ngaki no don't say that. Tigako complain about my mom gocha. My mom can come to my house anytime without a notice.
Okay.
It was a very serious conversation asegalilia. Paka gendo yaga drop mokae. Sigasi akora no yakagende gasia gasia lakini mung'ina tigerenka afanye kazi mbaro lendera tigaleke ngoira na bali marago. It was on a Friday. Ago chalende marago bomo kunga ago chaga seka lakini mung'ina olina era kumbe naro reaction yo mukungu olia kumbe mukungu olina ranga mukungu takala tiki tago kiri ona kiba kwira na marago ba mung'ina olia akaboli omwana wae kwani nakora magoso gocha mwago. Mama okora magoso style ki ka gota kole tikita taorogete signing ya ekrona koraki ekrona atamna mama I'm your son amwane you can come anytime unnoticed, you can come anytime without a call unannounced you just come. Is my house unolia kama kuamua kwake kambi ali wiki ngima kamua kwake kambi weekend ngima to a point bono musacho yaga bika attention moto konyo nando gechiri kuna mukae nchiri ya mubuli muwako bona kamua kubeka attention esima muabo kamua gosoki mamu abo muira omugure bintu muira nini na nini mungiro nere na bwate kento kelinga muswati otarogeti ko kwa na hicho chaga so musibati ile achaka feeling no it's not right to a point akaburi kwani mama nako goserete ata ya Mong'ina erta mo bisitia kamate karona chete tongorogeti kwaliga nyokuya I don't know why nanda katebanga bono tigang ekaro musibati ulia buli nali musibati onera amwira netingina kamutebuna so it's okay na inche na akoreki tigang endeka akagenda after a week no musajo nera na ba interview tenera gatanga mama tabwene tikakoraki in the process Mong'ina umusibati wenkeli obole tinga mama kwani ngaki agatana inche tingo kiri enche kwanga koleta kikwangaliganeti no musaja nera ga interject gatana mama tabwene tikuru notice ngakia na sia koraki agocha senyombe no Mong'ina gatanga na inche bono tigangole kitigangende igende gyalete topic itu tukulia lero otarachi koenda set up kinte tora ira neligoro ye story yo yaba abairi bago relatives bago abana bamino abantu bamino bonsi pia se aso kurchin lotiago chionzi njitakire kurwa a notice ekero chigocha njitakire goteba ngocha tuli oibange gosina buchiguche anytime una baigwete gocha senginjoga no muiri enendo is mine lo ogocha kurma kwenda gasi kwenda kwanyara muka musiko muka uno
ali nyumba
kwenda gasi kwenda kwanya murumu abo musacho uno ali nyumba nande momento usine town yes
no mimi I disagree completely kulingana na story yuwa tutebiri that woman Mong'ina uyo chete mpaka Nairobi atagwa teba kuline gali kurusi mpaka Nairobi it is a mistake.
Why?
It is not right. As much as that is the son,
I want to go
na najua kwake.
All in the shoes of who?
I'm in the shoes now of the daughter-in-law and of the son too. Me, I don't think even if it's my mom, yeah, because really unabona igabone say ingechinga kechitole bono iga ora chalende mwanonyo retinjo ange travel all the way and apate awako maybe kuna mahali walienda ange blame nani alienda kuona nani.
I will wait for my son.
You wait, but he will say
one call.
Imagine wakati umesema we can even prepare adequately for you for your visit but bone kerogo cha nago sio kira no lege sie liga nitaanza aje hata kujipanga ulikuwa unakuja na unyo hata kama nilikuwa naenda mahali sita stop because nimekupata, lakini kama ungenipigia simu niambie you are coming on such a date ninaweza kuwa nyumbani, naweza change my plans, hata naweza kukukaribisha vizuri kuliko ile enye mimi nimekushtukia umeni surprise. Whether it's my mom, unless hakukuwa na simu, hakuna means of communication kabisa.
Yes.
That is when now it's in case of an emergency now you can rush in, just come. But really now you are coming to visit. Hiyo ni kitu nye mmekaa chini mmepanga. Tell me, inform me, whether it's my mom, whether you are my sister, my brother. Hata me, I don't go to people's houses unannounced. So why will you come to my place unannounced?
Lisa say, let's just put this way. You are my wife. Mwana muruminto acha nyumba atabangeti, will you feel bad about it?
Yes, I'm supposed to kuambiwa.
Why?
You are supposed to inform me. Nijipange.
Ujipange nini?
Nijipange kupokea mgeni. Basa mama yako anakuja nimshtukia hapa kwa mlango.
Sasa.
Hata sijajipanga, nitamkaribisha hata sijampikia.
Nini? Mama yangu unaenda kupanga
manye tobo geni venye
inakuwa.
Sasa akikuja nipate niko uchi kwa nyumba.
No, hajakuja kwa nyumba.
Juu hajaniambia, si amekuja home.
Na harukuru gesil. Ne single room umenye tagocha.
Yes, tunaweza kuwa tunaishi single room, kuna wazazi by there hawana tabia.
Oyo agocha se nyumba maitenga mujule nyumba yako mbiyere ne kwa kumletera
bageni. It's okay, nyumba yangu ni sawa, hata ninaishi 5 bedroom, it's fine. Hata kuna room yake. But why will you not tell me? Tell me, utakuja kwa nyumba tupate siko.
Yani yake
utakuja kwa nyumba unipate niko uchi.
Okay, yake ene ngomrominto mwisiku mintazi nyumba ofiri bobe.
Sita feel vibaya, but mbona asiniambie? Ni prepare.
Keep producer there.
Nomorogi. Nomorogi. Ingiatali wanjera. No, it is true. Ingiatali wanjera montage. Lakini ayo gocha tubati muago.
Producer, get me clear.
No, I'm getting you unclear.
Mimi sijakataa wageni kukuja kwangu. I've not refused. Mimi the only thing I'm saying ni hii. togonte nchike nakuja Saturday
Ngochiki unango.
Mama go chiki.
Omano unoyo.
yes
Mono yubata unoyo.
Prepare sasa ukikuja alafu nikupe sukuma mtaanza kusema sijui ndio ilikuwa kwa nyumba
Wewe kwenda huko.
Ebu acha nchike ni prepare vizuri
Prepare ndio chikondoka bona ochikula mama tacha nande.
It's not about
in fact nando isekubwati buya ikiagera taguchika isekuchunguza ndubwate kasoro
that's a witchcraft
sasa inamaanisha hatuna relationship
not relationship
na kama hatuna mbona ukuje kwa
let me tell you go relationship naye
anomorogi
we should have a good relationship with my mother-in-law that is when you can even enjoy marriage
enjoy
enda uangalie wale wasichana wenye waelewani na mothers-in-law aki uwezi kaa kwa hiyo mji you will struggle. I'm supposed to have a good relationship with your mother.
If you don't allow your mother to come into your in his son's house when Murogi.
Mimi si Murogi. Me I'm even saying even my mother. If my mother shows up and announce what utasikia aje? Now it's my mom.
It is okay.
Unaenda yupi yana nje.
Yaani unamshtukia hapo kwa mlango. Amekuja na baga anakuja kwa 1 month. Hata wewe mwenyewe.
Hata 6 months.
Mbona uishi kwa daughter in law wako ama kwa daughter wako 6 months?
Asenje mwezi mmoja balimo.
For what reason?
Na kila amenye Murogo for 6 months.
Monto naliga yokundikira iga. Dieta in law eliminate specify dieta low.
Lo metinga olenseri chiko.
Ere yaga tabanga ki. Era tabringa ki.
Kende gionse ko taba yes madam.
Nere yaga tabanga ekero dieta low liroro it means there's rules are there. Meaning ekero gocha you must say you're coming.
Yes, you are supposed to say aki mimi tigango tebiga producer hata wewe. Bona igani ngichamu au nishtukie kwa mlango.
Wewe vitu ni mbili. Wewe mwanamke takukula.
Eno ente soma producer tako kaendera na kipindi tuaramo rusiri ese kipindi kera lisa se ente soma comment beri sa tuchali kirugaiga ese mambe yaboni Moses nyakundi abatabuna my house nyumba ya netalie kanisa ose mosque ose social hall
you just walk in
ekarogocha togocha utatebeti ngochole Moses ndete ko soma comment kigama ekuru Mary nyaboke abatabanga of course yaya tagon surprise tali gocha kwa kabere kwa Yesu
you see people watu wanani support hapo you should sema unakuja
because yes atatango cha gocha le uno mwibi wao gocha kabere kwa Yesu nale ga iko tabuna of course na chanchonye kimageti sabaliane
utaenda
hiyo ingine tutaongea na yeye
baadaye na atasikia vibaya
na ndana ro taboyo ndenga ogo yakuru ku Dennis Ombui abatabno ogo cha otagetie simigo so tabegetie invitation in a sign ya of respect is a sign of respect. I don't know I mean
respect from a disrespect
respect abatabno ogo cha without invitation or
I think
is a sign of respect.
Disrespect
it's a sign of respect.
That's good. That's the truth. If your mother comes without telling you auna maskani manako ete
amaskani hao
amaskani yako tasinga chata ki mwana ona kwa ndina kubori aye mwago okobakitiriana na mama nango
cha my house sini kwangu hata unaweza pata hata mzee wangu amerelax tu hapo sitting room
kabekete kentoki
it's our house
irende
tali atino ataka
odi yako ni unaona pu
hapana kuna wacha niwaambie there are 2 types of parents kuna wengine hata wenye hao no even in laws they are entitled it's their son's house
moderator ni swali tukuboneli iga asima macha minto nyomba goseta town
sasa ndio town
mino nyumba town
one town na kiabata kongonta tatu baba
sasa hata kama mbona tuchake courage tuanze courage tunakimbia huku hatuna soda hatuna sijui nini hatuna nini
soda ni haki
let me tell you this my mother-in-law should be a special visitor in my place I'm not supposed to handle her like any other visitor
Fadili tabanga unannounced where when how
I'm not supposed to handle her like any other guest in my house. She's special. I'm supposed to give her special treatment. That's my mother-in-law. That is my mother-in-law. That is my mother-in-law.
Comment ya Faith Keru.
Yeah.
It shows their concern with you. You being or may be missed by them. It's a surprise. Wamekusurprise,
kwa hii era enye kuna simu, kuna sijui TikTok, kuna nini, kuna wewe hebu communicate.
If my mother is in TikTok, nani mganga?
Mimi I'm just joking. I'm saying hii era kuna means of communication mingi sana.
Naanza kutingisha. Hapo mimi mother in TikTok.
Jeff, korushin sama chio mugonchira katabanga.
Yeah.
That is as much as their home as it is yours.
Thank you.
They can come anytime.
No, mimi I disagree completely with Jeff. Jeff, wacha nikwambie ukweli. Acha mother-in-law wako step hapo. Mama mother-in-law atakuja, yeye hata kuona shida.
Lakini arekene.
Ngenchonko mogeni, it is me ataenda kuongea.
Tingu mkwa ni mitinyi 5.
Si unaona?
Na kuna ngoja yangu toko na
really.
Na kuna kama mama na ngoja katari kwa ntebia.
Atari kwa tebia hata ujipange.
Mama na ngoja tantebi.
Ufanye akwe
tantebi. Nchi mama na ngoja. Aki mama mimi ngoja na kama mimi ngoja atari kwa ntebi.
Double standards.
No,
because it's my mom.
Yes,
it's another thing.
Anakuja kwa nini?
Mimi kitu tu nasemea ni moja. Mimi unajua mimi
mama mimi ningecha kwa nyumba.
Na rogo that is bad.
Ngoja kwa nini ngento kote
kwa
rogo tabuna oyakor ku Elvin awatabuna bad manners.
It's bad manners
to mother-in-law, not to my mother.
You know,
sasa wewe uko side gani?
It's not all about the mother-in-law. I mean, this can be my brother.
Yes,
this can be your
my
sister. This can be my uncle.
My cousin.
This can be my cousin. This can be my auntie.
Yes.
Yani kuchamuane aiso kikuruge sieli.
Yes.
Is it a bad thing?
It's a bad thing. I still insist.
Wanante tonte gerega ntebe ngai bad thing.
Unajua mja get point yangu vizuri.
Aro onye kwa tebanga it is my cousin, my sister.
Yeah.
They have to announce 2 weeks earlier before
they have to announce honestly.
Lakini my mother hata kianaunsia hapo kwa mlango hataingia. But I'm telling you, if my cousin comes and anambia anakuja ukaa, anakuambia ataingia kwa.
Na ya bidi na wane chikazi ni chinti na yo mother.
Let me acha mkiweka father. Let me ask you one thing. Ni nini Biblia inasema about marriage? A man leaves what? A man leaves the parents. Mimi nasema tu mseme. It's a man leaves the parents. Google simuone. Anawacha everything, anaenda kwa united with the wife, right?
Hajakuja kuishi kwetu.
Mimi nasema hiyo rule. Like, think deeply, guys. Stop thinking shallowly. Think deeply. Me, I'm telling you.
Umaite onya go think deep nkora berole si.
Sino ngora busore nyaro ya sino.
Ngora personal. Why you being personal?
Ngora busore nyaro ya sino. Ngoje kwa busore nyaro ya sino.
Why are you being personal? Let's disagree to agree.
Personal, but what I'm telling you is this, to be really honest. A mother-in-law from both sides, you never know why she came. Let me tell you, a mother cannot kusimama kuruso.
Emergency nimekubali na kama hakuna simu.
Mayanga na mamaru kurukero karugoro. Ache mpaka agaiga. Tell me, alafu atemekuja tu kunipatia umbea. No, she has come to do something here.
That's an emergency, right?
No, it's not an emergency. Hata kama tukuja umwana ena arota, hiyo si emergency. Ena arota ko guturunga na nacha ko rosimbu yole. You don't she doesn't have to call you. Oh my father, si lazima kupigia simu.
A good parent mwenye amejiheshimu will call you and ask you, uko leo tao nikuje tuongee, uko kwa nyumba nikuje tuongee, kuna kitu niliota.
Asijiheshimu, let him come anytime. Unaona hiyo? Asijiheshimu.
Bono tiganda batabiga. I want to tell you this, as much as it's disrespect, but really my mother, my sister, my brother, it's not bad. Okay, what can you do? Ochira announced. Utafanya nini?
Amekuja na announce, mimi nitampokea. Nitampokea, but now tutaendelea tu vizuri, but like sitampokea kama ile nyesikuwa nilikuwa nimeambiwa na kuja leo nika prepare kila kitu nini everything venye unafaa ku welcome a guest. But now I'll talk to my husband, nimwambie aki next time just tell your mom before akuje akuwa nasema, you see, because ashafika. Do you know why? Because huyu mama akikuja kwa hii nyumba asipopokelewa vizuri, nani anaenda kuongelewa vibaya kwa village? It is me.
Lisa say I want ente ndigerelia sub maiso oiro statement yeyo. Mama ochire nyumba mintu.
Sitamfukuza of course.
Yes, ochire mama mintu ochire nyumba mintu tahagete simi of course. Ochire baka stomenyete. Nyumba. Igo igente kitanga ni kwagechiriu. Nkiachira atagete.
Ajasema.
So toigwa nega igente kitanga kwagechiriu.
tadi na agechiribu nitakuwa zile za unajua nini sasa mbona amukusema because we are communicating sikia because we are communicating kama tunaongeanga na huyu mama kila siku ama hata si kila siku they talk with the son hata kama angeniambia mbona hakuambia mtoto wake
ngige tanga ni kurage chugule nkiachira atagetie atatebeti okay bono egento gya kabere kumwariga niole kumwariga niole aso nyumba
vizuri sana
lakini ekera achire kote yule your husband ngaki next time
next time they should report wanafaa kukuambia hata wewe aje nakuja Saturday
oyo mama
mutakuwa
okurwira next time
next time anafaa kusema hata kama ni mama yangu
I want to tell you the opposite of a man to a wife now that is the point of a woman the point of a man. If today I pop up in the house nyore mamu mino nyomba atagetie simi I'm telling you no man ataambia bibi yake kwamba next time mama yako asikuje bila kusema.
Wanasema sana.
Au wanaume ambao wanasema au wanaume ambao wanasema hawajajipanga.
Aki wanasema. Hata wewe hata
ento musacho urakore togo feel bobe okubolinga ki hakimwale kontebia ngibange
sasa si ndio hiyo
lakini tinko one
hata sisi hiyo ndio tuna feel
tinko one next time ngakagoja I can't do that
wanasema sana that is you mwenye uwezi sema but now unajua hata sisters unajua kuna watu wanakuja hata wanaharibu marriage these things happen hata sister yangu afai kuja kwangu hivyo akuja aishi sijui anakaa 1 week sijui anakaa 2 weeks sijui tunaishi naye it's not good
so your sister
afai kukuja
kuishi kwako mali umeolewa
afai kukuja nakuja aje kuishi kwangu unless anakuja kusoma ama something kuna vitu zingine za tunafanya zinaharibu marriages
abange na oba nyume
tukurisoma it's true but saa hii current generation yenye tunaishi
current obuno botaka bwachire
enye unaona paka
obuno bonche ebintu bina byachire biko
bonche
botaka
how many people do you know mimi najua mtu mwenye alileta sister yake na sasa sister yake ndiye ameolewa kwa hiyo nyumba
au watu wako hivyo tabia ya kwao iko namna hiyo tabia sobo na berigo ego depend na ande musiko yo minonta bikia bwateli sasa my brother can come in my house akae na bila hata kusema na kuja
it's okay hao ndio wale wazuri wenye tunasema but right now we are talking generally kuna watu wenye si wazuri kuna watu wengine wako na ill motives kuna watu wengine unaletea bwana wako temptations kwa nyumba ako hapo sister yako ni mkubwa amemaliza shule anafanya nini hapo your brother is there umeletea wife wako hapo people these things happen people sleep with their brothers wives
I'm the first born kwetu mimi ndio kio kwao mimi ndio wanategemea kwangu watakuja siku yoyote wacha
wakuje mimi sikatai wacha wakuje siku yoyote
hata simu
huyo ni wewe lakini ile tabia mzuri enye unafaa kureiziwa nayo ni hii sema unaenda kwa mtu mimi kwangu niambie unakuja
because that's you mean communication is the key
it's the key because si eti lazima ukuje nisikie vibasi juu sikuwa nimepika unaweza kuja upate siko
unaro chafu
unaweza kuja upate siko
wewe unaro mbaya hautaki hata sasa hata sisi tumejua ukiolewa hatukuji kwako
msikuje kama mjapiga simu nimewaambia leo muniulize kwanza
hata mbaya
sasa mkikuja mpate siko
unaro mbaya na uolewi
mkuje acha ku get personal mkikuja mpate siko
au uolewi
nani amemwambia sijaolewa mtajuaje
umeoa
sema piga simu niambie nakuja kwako kesho nakuja kwako Saturday nakuja kwako saa 7 nijipange ndio nikunini vizuri nikugeni vizuri kama mgeni wangu alafu pia unaweza pata siku kuja ugonge kwa mlango utasikia vizuri
ego eseke kusiba akorwa basangami musangami no muntu ugocha onyoranga no gendete no ndagira ogenda kuragera unnoticed sana announced akurwira ndonsiga osoagocha igonyoranga no muri amu igomi ningi uminetinga no ne jirante etasa gocha mwago
sasa jirani is not visiting si jirani atakuja tu aniambie fanya maybe kuna tap yako inali kama kuna kitu imehappen hapa that is okay
bono lisa se ebinte bibia titegocha singin chobo takabwa titegocha igoro nabo igo obugima bwacha okongera abantu that is why bacha getokobiki binte biga bi announcements ngangocha tole in fact the real mugusi nigabegete ngaki nabo gutara muo ya mate agende onsio target isimi ogenda urale no in fact ya lenge ngaki nabo kurara ogenda urale no ne wiki utalikwira no in fact ngwale kote no embugo gose no ense inunga na achira sikete okogaenda no ense ndwata maitinga ikwachia weekend mana bacha kubolinga ya akare okerubono akare weekend mabeli roro na kirubota ko tetinga ngocha ko bera wiki acha tari ko tetinga no ngocha ko bera roro wiki ocho bera roro no enso botali ko notice ngo enda ro kirba bere wiki ubugima bwarenge ngo no bwanchani unobwanchani muntu yo nabeko teka nga mismo swati mwabo ocho bero muntu nabako misinga misio mwana wae ogenda bero roro keregen bono egento kiagerire to ikeire ga ninki obotaka ente getanga obonche egento kiakabere yani oruruchenga bono nobwate machiko getotete kubeka mwago especially egente ke corona abakungu abange bagerire abantu bayitanire n'abana babo abakungu abande bagerire abantu bayitanire bamura bamwabo omuro minta gocha mwane nebong ntebeti ngochari ekera chiri mwane yani ku imagine nkikango chire ote kumubekera ngata bwana tiko kutoka ga matuka beratatu in fact abasbati abango ise kubwati bagerire naona abantu bachakire abangire wacha kota ngati ni maitenga nechin lochi kwanga echika mati chikwanga no oyo musbati mintocha na maitenga mumro mintu na barankonye enteke mugo second ekera chiri minto gaiga ncheninyo mete ni bwate mukani ekene na tebete ngochari bakanche na gote nga my sister ngokorareki ngochari ekro my sister achirega igabono otete nchake ku explain ria aye ngabono moswati minto ngoberare gaiga e wiki gose chi wiki bere on smart minto chaga iga obera litke mulia kabere ya gatatu aye gwachakire kogechi kunere tayari pengine chitabichia inchenchi maete ne chiasito pengine chitabichia ele chiasito eno mwana minta manyinga inche maete nga mwisiko minto abeko nyalika na kolege nteke ayesi nchoma eto maete na nchoma nyite we expect chitabichia abe buno tagetai wono wachaka konyoranga wachakire gwetana na muswati minto na nini kwageranga inche bono na tigara sense mo nsinjire ngo defend at the end of the day basacha bange bakoyire ko defend abakungu babo senchino bamete na barabotambe banyoranga ba neglect baswati bamo gose bamura bamwabo mumuro yo minto genda nkalisa ogo sebusko yo minto soka kurugari o manyanga mumuro minto idinganga ngete mumuro ba mistreated ba korrete bobe osoka obwamate bwasirapi kati omuntu yo no mwana mwabo wetere mukungu yega do you think abakungu ga unande mbali ochi bamesa
ngomesi bali kuna wale wanakuja bago cha semechi wana separate the family ukweli kabisa nayo iko na usisahau pia kuna wale sisters zako chikamati wenye pia wanaharibu marriages za their brothers
abu abuli sasekera ngote yekene abu na barabu ni chinsalimache abona barabu chimbo chabone chimbe abona barabu mutuli babekoro but cases inchiriri sase chikoba mwisiko mino cha mwana your sister bono yo nyumete ocha mwana gwante bikabisa ngango chale now it is sawa ekera chire do you know I want you to differentiate this umusacho yiga singinchekera gocha no gonte yore reason yachira ngochale nande nkurabera ale gasi ntito kumukorra 1 2 3 or 4 do you know nchina banko molemere more than ayora alemere my brother
it's true I think men tend to behave that way ile nyamtakangi story mingi but please let us not put our men and our husbands in such positions sasa ukue torn in between choosing sijui your side and my side ile ni mzuri relationship mzuri ni ile patana once ongea vizuri malizana wacha kila mtu akue kwa space yake kwake
abokobera mwane as long as oraberoro nje I'm saying abantu mbale bamura bamwe bakinirete so
it's true
abantu mbale basike bamwe bakinirete
wengi sana lakini kwanza chunguza ujue tabia zao kuna wengine wanakuja wanabadilika kuna watu wenye wako na tabia mbaya kuna wanaume wako na tabia mbaya wanatamani mpaka sister yako kuna wanawake wako na tabia mbaya wanatamani mpaka brother yako
so there God, let me tell you how you treat that as a serious person just confront this brother mwatabinga endo ebinti byokora igabiro bibono nkocha kogerole ngaki nchibuna muro minuto gosa ebinti bichimbwe chikagwa cha kirengo cha kogerole nchibuna your brother tiganeso gosa nande tinte tikiregawo you have to change or continue staying or go home wone kina kia banta bange batali kukwana
because unaogopa kumhurt
I hope it's good for any man either na bamuro mino either muswati mino ekero ko harolere mistake asali motei directly my sister my brother at the end of the day you depend on me nchibuna murumi nomo nene usinchibuna murumi nomo kebo niga in the position no matter na you are here because you want to benefit one or two and I'm working on it, but please etabia gotegera binde biga bichikomiskuru asole totakanga understand your behavior totakancha ku understand ngai bono murumi toncha ku understanding ani stabichiao chenchi litokonyane manyanga ga iga story we are entangled ndo bwatega iga monto extra feelings cia na chitabichi abo to chimaiti njindachi manya so make sure you behave lakini kobera iga bono abaswat bago kobere gika I think it's no problem kobere gika lakini abakungu it tends to be a bad
it's a problem
abakungu bono ga bono ni mechando yabo tali mechando yo muntu iga kobera ni mechando yabo this is my brother on every ngocha ninchi na hotel na my brother is coming pengine nimbo ati plan entongere bitebere tatunda komokora mbire tina ikirani ngora vera lega do you know abakungu abange it's a problem to them without even thinking it's that.
Yes, kuna watu wenye wapendi wanaona ni kama sawa wamekuja kuinvade space yao.
Now let's tigatora watu wewe
hiyo mimi yenye umeniambia sina shida kabisa.
Atakaa hapo hata mwezi,
atakaa hata miaka atakaa, lakini nyalebe tutakaa na yeye vizuri sana.
Nyalebe
ni nani? Nyalebe ni nani? Atakaa. Mimi kama umeniambia mimi sina shida. Maybe mtu anasoma
blue
lazima akuje
agokura na
hawezi sasa hapo ina depend na kila mtu na pia hata wao mandugu wakikuja kutujoin be mindful sasa huyo ndio wife be mindful wacha watu wakuje kama wako na respect wanajua hapa sasa kuko hivi as much as watapendana sasa huyo ndio yuko
wanomateki yo chikiaga cheba kungubande na I don't know why you will explain wiki wata kama muroyo singe nama itenga my husband ngo mukonyari gusema nata ketu musada cross story wata ndikumukore mbochi wata ndikumukore maid wata nikomogore transporter nero gotuma wapi we expect ko janka onyorege ose sometimes ga uno bago chiba miss a point ora akori umuntu yemerimu acha ku imagine ngabono na bamotete gonkonya does it mean nje motete ko kore binte byonsi ya uno mwete mo sacha ta akori mwana mwabo binte omukungu orega nyumba nero guchio tende ko kore binte biga yatoka wono genda ekamati muswati achega you will see you will see you don't know koga ndoro tige mukungu yigu mwabo gaiga otanga nango tigire munyoma muswatu mina na tigire munyo so to iwana ni rese nje na atire koranga essence nero monto ko communicate
yes communicate
lakini
kasa kama tiganso me comment ya fancy ke mtu gaiga asesemo ya Facebook akoteva kuna mama alienda kwa msichana wake akaishi sana sani nilo akaambia bibi ambia mama yako arudi ushago akakataa we siku moja asubuhi sani nilo aliamua kukaa kwa nyumba na boxer na vest huyo mama alirudi ocha bila kuangalia nyuma you see now the thing sani
oyo mama wa sani
mama mwabo sasa mama ya bibi
ona akaamua bwana tigaba
nyombe alikuja akaishi sana
akaamua bwana ngo banyomale bonsi bono
akaambia bibi sikwambia mama yako arudi home bibi anamwambia acha tu kidogo
abalende assess point ya mamu au muiseke in fact tata kirikora na wentu days
double standard hizo sasa
chakiro zenje birangeti tena saligete akiana mamu amukane
no musarigete bayi
mamu amukane anya gateta maskani
abande banda miromoro giga
onye mamu amukane gateta maskani yaro ya
shima tu
natukabira lakini mama era bakobera
torochi why do you have double standard
no mama maitega maitense itore anse itore mama ganse nchoma itemenya tise
ni kwa nini kwa kikisi toira ne atigatura na seke gusi ninki yo mama atari gosora mwao
mama mgosora mwana tatu atari gosora
your dad tari gosora
mama gosora
kuna heshima si ndio
no mama tabu ati maskani
but my mama hawezi ingia kwangu
singi nabu ata maskani buo igabo
yes
my mama tabu ati maskani na mwane
na bago somba ka bedroom
yes awaso ka bedroom singi mama na ba korra mukane kirigento na mama no inchi na ba kondra singi mama
yes but your dad tago
soa yes my dad tago soa singi nchotoro chia ebono mukungu muhao abe kunyarikana nande bireje bimotire ajana ndogo una bono musacho yibijireje bya mutere ata wante ambeke boxa gaiga because your husband can your husband can marry your mama
Yes, kwani si zimehappen. There is case of stories.
It can happen.
Zimehappen.
So
please hata ke gusinke manyetenga my mom tago so amwane. Mbona nilete mama wangu kwangu akuje kuishi sijui for months. Watu mnaharibu tu marriage zenu bure, tempting your husbands, bringing a lot of issues.
But rende
kuna mama wajajiheshimu.
Kingo chenjeli nande konkora tina wa stable in mind nelinga ki na baba to miss bache without a very early notice.
Do they have to stay?
To stay, there's a problem. But they can just come.
Coming visiting is not bad.
I don't want to give my mother conditions of coming to my house.
If you have your mom, a kissy woman, mwenye anajiheshimu kabisa, a woman like ule mama, aki your mom can't do that.
But I don't want to be in a position of giving rules to my mom.
Sasa ndio hiyo. They're not even supposed to make us tufike hapo. Because your mom lazima
mom can come to my house anytime.
Anytime it's fine, but wacha akuambie.
Hata akiniambia akiwa kwa gate, it's okay.
Sasa ukipata hiyo siku huko,
wacha ningoja.
Umeenda hata business trip.
Wacha ningoje.
Sasa mamako akaa nje.
Atarudi lakini hafai compare rules.
Okay.
Tinko nyara nga kinko cha kulikira mama chi rules insenga mama to gocha mwana kwa nge notice ya one week kuna.
Hizo ni vitu mzuri za kucoexist.
Imeniuma sana.
Hata wewe ukienda nyumbani waambie nimefika town na kuja nyumbani. It's a good thing.
Imeniuma sana kwa roho yangu kwamba na mama abekiringa atarueti ali notice ta
mama yako wacha aseme ali notice ndio hata sisi tumchinjie kuku tu prepare mgeni anakuja.
Gacha tolia matoke twensi.
It's not good hata kusikia hata kusema mukungu olia nyomete tata itino onyago togolere nyama.
Naberigo.
Umukaniri. Wewe cheza na mama.
Mama itenga ntara kunyoma mama mintu bakanera akrakona kuireka. Mama itekera basacha bakuira bakungunga. Musanja ntakote yekerene. Batekera kuira ka for the first time no nae ukuibanga psychologically ngakimukunguli yawe chikondora that is just inabiri
ndio hiyo ndio nimesema she's not just a woman, she's a special woman.
Bono
she gave birth to my husband. I'm supposed to treat her very nicely.
If she gave birth to your husband,
yes,
she's supposed not to give any notice of coming.
She's supposed to. That's why I want to treat her nicely. Yani nataka niambie nakuja sasa nipange kitanda yake, nipange nguo vizuri, nipange food, kila kitu.
Acha emergency, tiache emergency ara nganto nyare emergency cases.
Hii dunia yenye tumefika sasa hivi we are busy.
Tutwale sub county.
We are busy sahi. We work on budget.
Tuwa kwanira iganga simbarati abeke jigacho murali ogembo chibe emergency.
Your mom visiting is not an emergency unless she's sick.
No.
Honestly.
Can be
how is it an emergency?
Missment can be emergency.
That's not an emergency.
Anyway, wana ba mintonche timatima maoni ino naralia ikuru sko galda Mogotu tebia ocha se mambi yabone batrende gento krikima etenkelinga ki chimbwa chimuntu nabachiko determine nanda baswati. If you want to stay well as in lochiao tiaya konya koleta mangana mange tikakole nayo ragende batigale nayo ragende batigale genteke nenkelinga ki no chiao muyabu no rabe tema ko chaka gotumeka chinkwana chiago no buronge. In fact nayo ragende barabuba gotigala they will be there nando sekera rubada
hata you found them there
eko imugete igoro wono gaikoranga naye wachakira machiko tai mageni ugo chakoleta mochioyo ne liura manyenga kyoko menyana barabu. In fact you cannot bring tabinchi ugo chakochinchi banta basobo igente kenene nkelinga ki na yura manyenchira kyura menyana ne chitabichiga uchichenchi ngorongoro toko chakumuchenjira rero no toko chakochinjibana bamwabo toko chakochenchinina toko chakochenchise onye mba chenje tikubara bake mete ya kinire aberigo egento okora nelinga ki manyanchira kyura mena abantu abayano bungaini sabanya sae akwa chinguru enjiro ko mena ba because no ense inoli sase tingo cha kubachenje enjira mole nelinga kinche nda manyanga kikomenya naye.
Yes,
ono na ganya saya so imese njo da una bona tu asini digwamo to manyanga kitoko menyamo abasubati abange bagotende kubeka machiko ote tugocho chikubeka machiko bwone ngote temenye buno takete otakete menye bune enchira geto ite kunya
abona bagocha ba separate abantu ase family
ocha bona ote tencha gutika kukwana mu mrominto ote tencha gutika ku relate na muswati minto
ote sio tike como konya.
This is my sister, this is my brother, this is my cousin. The only, in fact, even friends bona ga uno goto go topic ye wiki gocha friends yabange hasali relationships yabange sana. I have a friend oyo mukuru kwa mwana muziki yo oyo Uganda, Eddie Kenzo.
Yeah.
Do you know Eddie Kenzo was married to Rema Namakula? Friends made the relationship just to break.
Yeah.
Singencho Eddie Kenzo niga kaletire abasani bagocha gali noche mangana ya basani shisha nini akamutabina no. Singencho na rolling there will be a bad influence to my kids. Let me leave you with your friends. That's a topic for another day. Anyway, ambwa tukigento kendega tokwira na toche gukura toche gukura ne topic ito tikuria reka chat getse tsaiga nkego tunkura torana matanga ekaronte ko bwa tukigente kiga kya MC Migi watana netena ande numungwano ya wata numukungwe siorori in fact gento nkebe una konyoma umukungwe siorori utasige tipaka bako ate ko bataibacha ne notice
abasacha chisiyo kwanza
Ningochoko tiemecha te
bakora umusacha uri siyoro uri barasiyoro umusacha tasigitino nyingina tasigitino nyimukaye umusachi siyoro uri jimugwana
ye buna konyumo mukungwe siyoro ochwekia myoyo taliko igwa